was the MACD that they had conversion. They were now moving, or they were converging now, and then the candle that we looked at over here had just crossed the previous high, and it was in a bullish trend because the MACD were separating and all the MAs. We looked at a higher on time frame first because it's more reliable. And then we moved down to the daily.
Okay. And one more question. I have a couple of questions. One is, at what rate should I buy that? Number one. Number two, did you also consider volume while analyzing these price movements? Just maximize the price bar and take candles at the center. Candles are too high. Yeah, now maximize your price bar.
Like stretch it out?
Bit more bars. That's it. Read volume bars.
Correct. After it passes this high, so 97.5.
97.5 by 97.5. Okay.
Yep.
Got it. KDR. Did you observe or analyze that which type of trend the stock is in? Is it in uptrend, downtrend, or sideways?
We found it actually pretty hard to find. When we were looking at stocks, there were only a few that were in uptrend, the rest of them were in downtrend.
Okay. So now what about this, MACD?
The ones we chose are all in uptrend so far.
Okay. Fine. So you are on monthly time frame, and monthly time frame is giving you higher highs always. Is it?
Yes. As well as the MACD that's also conventional.
Yeah, so I can say since 2017 or 16, the stock is in uptrend. Even though the COVID fall, it saw COVID fall, and it overcame COVID fall in just in a matter of 6 months, I guess.